Like net? Huh?
Guys, welcome back to Play with Ahmed channel. Today I make a volcano. Okay, now this. Now we need for experiment baking soda. We need citric acid. We need spoon, and we need color agent red, and water and soap. The soda 2 spoons. Let me get. I need this. Put it in. Another one because I said it's 2 spoons. Mix it together without burning myself. This looks like snow. Okay. Now we need to put the soap. Get 1 cup of the soap. Stop dripping. Quick. Okay, get it. Get in there. Okay, mix. Now we need to mix it. Mix it around. Mix it around. Now we need to mix it. Now we need to be careful because that will get my hand. That looks like lava. It's gooey. Now I'm gonna show you. We mix this. It's become red now. Put it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Lava! Ah! Let's put more. Tap. Let's put all. Oh my gosh! It's flooding! It's flooding! If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe and do a like, and bye! And secret acid.
ليش تضحك؟ زين خلاص خليك واقف بس خلاص خليك
بس.
ليش لازم صابون يعني؟ I hope you